Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keeley Chalmers with a look at your forecast for not just this Friday, but for the weekend and the week ahead, because we are in store for quite a warm week. We're talking temperatures in the 90s starting today, continuing for the foreseeable future. We also have dry conditions over the next couple of days. We do have the return of the monsoonal moisture as we head into the second half of the week. We're going to outline all that, give you the timeline of when we can see those highest temperatures, but also when we can see the return of the rain. Out there right now, we got mainly blue skies, mostly sunny skies out there, and the temperatures are going to be reflective of that sunshine as we head into the afternoon hours. So topping your heavy weather headlines for today is that sunshine and those sunny conditions. We do have a slight chance for a storm way up there in the northeast corner of the state. Sedgwick, Phillips counties could see some isolated 1 or 2 storms as we head into the afternoon and early evening. Otherwise, we're pretty quiet out there. We are certainly heating up, though. We're talking about 90-plus degree temperatures for a while, and we do have more storms in the forecast with the return of that monsoonal moisture kind of rotating into our area both Sunday into Monday and really for much of the week. Current temperatures out there, we're mainly in the mid-80s across the plains, although Pueblo, Lamar, Trinidad already in the 90s, 70s, 80s up in the mountains. Your forecast for the metro area today, mostly sunny skies, 95 degrees. So we're going to top out anywhere from the low 90s to about 95 degrees in and around the metro area, but downtown we're looking 95. The record 100 that was set back in 2002, so we are not looking like we're going to even tie that record, but tomorrow is a different story. We're talking pretty close to tying the record. Well, if not tying, potentially even breaking the record for tomorrow. Winds are going to be light as we head into the evening hours. Forecast highs today, again, we're looking mainly 90s across the plains. 70s and 80s up there in the mountains. As for our severe thunderstorm risk for today, it has expanded since this morning. This morning, it really just had the extreme northeast corner of the state under any type of marginal risk. Now that risk for the marginal risk extends all the way down the eastern border of the state. Again, so no threat for severe weather here in the metro area, but again, head up to the north and east as well as the eastern border, and that risk does increase. Live radar, not too much happening. We do have some showers popping up across the southern mountains, and that is reflected in our futurecast as we head into the evening hours. Again, we are quiet here in the metro area. Possibly a shower down south of Pueblo and up there across, again, the northeast corner of the state where we get some 1 or 2 isolated storms rumbling through between about 5, 6 o'clock this evening. Otherwise, we are looking quiet under subsidence flow, but that subsidence also is making for some not the best air quality across the urban corridor. So we do have an air quality alert in effect for high ozone. So an ozone action day. This goes until 4 o'clock today. Ozone means basically pollution, particulate matter, pollution, diesel pollution in the atmosphere, the lower levels of the atmosphere. And so because it's a little bit increased today, for those in the sensitive groups might just want to limit their outdoor activity again until 4 o'clock this afternoon, because there's just not a lot of mixing in the lower levels of the atmosphere to mix up that polluted air. So again, a little stagnant out there for those who are sensitive to those issues. Tonight, mostly clear, temperatures dropping down to about 62 degrees. Winds are going to be light, and again, it's going to be a mild night. Mostly sunny tomorrow as well. Just a few clouds out there, but I'll tell you the big story will be the heat. Temperatures climbing to about 98 degrees, and that would tie the previous record in Denver. The current record is 98 degrees. That was set back in 2020, and so it's looking at this point like we are set to at least tie that record for tomorrow. Forecast highs for tomorrow, we're looking at 90s, triple digits in Pueblo and Lamar, 70s and 80s up there in the mountains. Just like your jet stream forecast, we got a ridge of high pressure just settling in just to the south of Colorado, the axis right there, just to the south and west, and that's going to do a great job of rotating that monsoonal moisture into our area over starting on Sunday afternoon and continuing with that pattern as that ridge just kind of settles in place there, continuing to rotate that moisture into our area through much of the week. And again, that starts on Sunday, continues into Monday. So we kind of see a repeat. Sunday, we're going to see that moisture move in, and then again Monday afternoon, and same goes for Tuesday afternoon, and actually most afternoons through our 7-day forecast. As for rain chances, again, we're not looking at any type of even isolated showers or storms today or tomorrow. Those chances return on Sunday and continue again right on through the middle part of the week. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Sunshine continues into tomorrow. It really helps to warm up those temperatures. 98 degrees, that would tie the previous record if we get to that tomorrow. We're staying in the 90s. That's going to be certainly the hottest day out of the week, but we're staying in the low to mid 90s through Thursday, with a chance for some of those scattered afternoon showers and storms each day. That is a quick look at your forecast on this Friday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keeley Chalmers. Have a great Friday and a safe weekend.